the genocide, baby!
Hey! I recognize that guy! He went to school with us!
He's the one planning to open the gate between here and Rotten World. I have to stop him.
Oh, man. There's nothing more hysterical to me than watching this world burn. This world, this government, this society made my life a hell. Well, now everyone is gonna know a life of hell forever.
Why did you do this to my school?
What, you didn't have time to clean out your locker, Juliet?
Hey! Leave her alone! Wait till I get my hands on you, dude!
Malicious lords, I invoke your dark forces in declaring myself God of this realm. As the pawn is present, may a ritual commence, and may the dark purveyors appear! Now! Bingham, Kelly, Swash, Lingori, Yellum, Tawal, Ellie, Mora, Forum, Tokum, Cab, Bingham, Kelly, Swash.
No! That's
Sensei!
This world makes me want to puke. You're the one who called us here?
Yeah, that's right. I'm your new master. And I demand you initiate the pawn into the ritual and rot every living thing in the school along the way! I did it! All right, guys. Time for you to rot this entire school and everyone in it.
I think you're dating this kid, and we're fucking head case.
How could you do this to Sensei Morikawa?
That's slow. This one's a zombie hunter.
What are you laughing at, dickhead?
Let the ritual commence!
Let's play.
Piss off!
Oh, hell!
I'm punk rock zombie Zed! Welcome to the mosh pit, you zombie hunting sleaze! Yeah!
Wow, what happened here?
Ah! I'm gonna rock your brains out! Literally!
No one told me we were gonna have to deal with giant letters.
That My Chemical Romance wannabe is destroying San Romero!
Oh, love that song Teenager. Have you heard that?
That's not important now, Nick. We have to kill this guy. What do you think about this for a catchphrase? I'm going to kill you. A lot.
I think you could...
Ah! Bitch! I can't wait to see you die!
Shit! Look out!
I'll restring my guitar with your intestines!
His voice is mega irritating.
How do you like the spotlight, Slag?
Win it! Very best kind, too. Awesome!
Your face gonna be a sweet do-rag!
He made a stage from all the cars at San Romero.
Oh my god! Total waste of a Volvo!
It's not my day.
Welcome to the big show!
Fuck! What a douchebag. Quit destroying shit for no reason.
My head's gonna explode!
Get out of my way!
Time to get hardcore, you zombie hunting slut!
All right! Kick out!
Juliet, you're kinda hot when you kick ass.
Probably took him 3 hours to spike his mohawk this morning. Needy much?
I'm gonna crush your face! I'm loving this shit! Your ass is fine! I love the smell of almost dead cheerleader in the morning! Yeah! Woo!
Torturing small animals? What kind of whack job waterboards Chip and Dale? That makes Skyliner here like the most uncoolest dude ever.
Welcome to Skullfuck Central! Take this, whore! Your pain is my heart!
Wait, is that glitter makeup?
Crush your face! Trapped! Fucking bitch!
Fuck! Giant letters.
Your pain is my art! Yeah! Take this, whore!
And I'll love you, baby, always.